Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will need to compare using percentage which group of these students have a higher pass rate, where the total number of students in each class is, or in each group here, is different. Okay, so since we have the total number, that makes it easy. So group A will be in red. Group B, I'm going to write it in blue so that we can see things clearly. So the pass rate in percentage. Pass rate for group A will be 36 out of the total 40 students, and the percentage here would then be equals to 90% of them pass. So just to take note, we just need to find the value for the percentage here. That's what I calculate. B, pass rate B. Although there are 44 students, more students pass actually, but in terms of the percentage, this gives me 88%. Again, I just need to find the value here. So from here we can easily see that the group A has the higher pass rate. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.